day, everyone. Again, it's about the pertinent papers or DepEd ranking folder. Okay? So, dito naman tayo sa DepEd ranking, everyone, na folder natin. Diba? Mag-a-apply tayo sa DepEd for Teacher 1 position. So, of course, everyone is meron dapat tayo ditong folder, which is dapat naka-long size na folder yan. And of course, yung loob niya, kung saan photocopy ang yung documents is dapat long size bond paper yan. And of course, everyone, dapat may heading, di ba? So, maraming tayong dating video dito about sa how to make the folder cover. Okay, dito naman natin, the first dapat pagbubukas ng mga evaluator is dapat nakalagay na dito yung iyong sworn statement. So, for your sworn statement, everyone, for your sworn statement, we have the name of applicant, ilalagay mo yung pangalan mo, position applied for Teacher 1, lalagay natin, office of the position applied for, kung saang school gustong mag-apply, and we have the contact number. So, contact number, yung iyong phone number and religion mo, Roman Catholic ba, Agripayan. And we have the ethnicity, ate ka ba, or we have the person of disability, check mo lang if oo. Solo parent, check mo lang if oo. And we have here your application codes. And of course, everyone, for the status of submission, iti-check mo yan if meron ka bang letter of intent, check mo yan. Ikaw yung mag-check dito ha, yung mga requirements mo, kung kumpleto na, iti-check mo yan lahat. And of course, dito naman is yung mga magbe-verify if meron ba talaga. Okay? And of course, is dito ilalagay mo yung pangalan and then your signature. And of course, everyone, yung pinaka-importante, dapat dalawa yung sworn statement na ipapasa mo sa division kasi dapat makopya ka at may kopya din sila. Okay? Dapat dalawa yung papasa mo. Okay, next we have the table of content. For the table of content, dapat meron kang table of content at may corresponding na letter siya, which is lalagyan mo yan siya ng tab. Okay? Like for example, we have the letter of intent. For the letter of intent, letter A, so of course, is pupunta siya sa letter of intent, diba? Yan, may letter of intent na yan na i-address mo sa Schools Division Superintendent. And we have the personal data sheet. Ayan, so dyan mo naman alagay yung personal data sheet. We have the certificate of training. And for the certificate of training, we have letter F. Ayan. So, diba, napaka-easy lang buksan ng mga evaluator kung tama or ba yung iyong mga requirements or meron ba yung mga requirements mo. Okay? So, sana nakatulong sa yung video na ito, everyone. Good luck sa iyong DepEd ranking.